Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I've cut a few little acetate tools to act as swipe tools. This one I've had for a while. Hopefully they won't disappear in the background, which they just did for a second. So I'll put them someplace I can find them. And then I'm going to use white cell activator and probably some Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier. I'm going to do what I did the other day. This is a miniature. This is a 5x7. I want some paint to float other paint on the bottom half. I don't want it to dry too quickly. So I'd like it to be a little bit heavy, but not so heavy that it swallows the white. I've never done, well, I've worked with a couple of these 5x7s, but really, they're very small. I prefer larger, much. I'm going to wipe that off, leave it. I might want it for something. Actually, I'll just put it in the bucket. And then I'm going to do what I did the other day. That's dazzling white. Come on, drip. It's not going to drip. Okay. This is Deckwart Americana 24 karat gold. I am going to slide in a little bit of Sour Apple. Down below. And I like that with turquoise. So I'm going to use some Vibrant Aqua. In more than one place. And with that I like Cerulean C. Whoa, which I did not expect to come out quite so quickly. And Whispering Wisteria. And Misty Mystique. A little bit of Rhapsody Rose. Some Groovy Guava. I thought I had a brighter version of this someplace. I do. There we go. I've got some Ginger Peach. I'm kind of inclined to put some cell activator in and blow on it too. The Ginger Peach, I might have mentioned if you've been watching me at all, is a lot like Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold. And I'm going to attempt to use the the yellow-orange. But I might want some yellow as well. Like right now. bound to put some spirals in. I definitely want some red violet or dancing fuchsia. Try the dancing fuchsia first. It's not going to come out. It's not open. See how you are? It's definitely not open. I guess it's the red violet. And I put Snapdragon aside, thinking I would use that too. I don't think I have enough pink. I want more. I've got Miami Magenta. I think that's a good choice. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Now if I blow on that now, it'll be too soon, so I'm going to try and restrain myself. Where's the Snapdragon? I love Snapdragon. I could probably just put in some stems and spiral those around and call it good. I want a little bit of orange, and I don't have a lot, but I have enough to spare some. Yeah, I like that. Do it twice. I still want some dancing fuchsia. Isn't that terrible? Let's see if I can get it open really quickly. It's not much of a plug, honestly. I got it. Okay, so I'm going to risk ruining this by following through with my original plan. But I'm going to take the single, and I used Amsterdam White and Australian Floetrol, which I'm almost out of. That's not going to work without me using the black. Need a line of black or paint color. I thought about using green. I thought about using blue. I can always fill in what I'm missing. I like the green though. I think that was a good idea. I don't want to put anything down on my turntable because everything's going to get lost really easily. Going small is hard. I've decided to tell you. I think I'd rather squeeze it on than dip it in. But I've got that in my dish and I don't really want to waste it either. This is looking pretty good, actually. Never tried the green before like that. I like it. Now I've got a nail art tool. Kind of like that. I'm inclined to move some of this in between. Before I start, I hope my head is not in the way. I'm going to try just once to take that cell activator . I did get some cells, not a lot, some. I like the shapes especially. Alright, if I'm going to do the spirally thing, I need to do it now. Oh, I lost some paint over my edge. But it looks kind of cool that way. So, especially for small spirals, it's important to, when you stick your skewer in, start your spiral and then just rotate it in place. That way you drag around a little bit of paint. It's not being the most successful thing I've ever seen, but I'm not going to give up easily. I am going to use some of the color from a previous spiral to alter what I've got. I feel like I'm going in the opposite direction. I kind of want some tendrils. I almost forgot about the tendrils. The small end of the skewer makes good dots. I don't know why my paint keeps going over the edge. I kind of want more green at the bottom, but I don't know. We'll see how I feel in a minute. Really didn't expect my paint to go over the edge. I don't know why not. I should. I've been doing this long enough. So far so good. I think I'm just about done. Good, I had some contrasting color on my skewer tip. I like the spiral I add. I just need a very light touch. do that. I did a painting recently, similar style, much larger, and I wanted more dots when I was done. I also left the paint heavy like I did here, and it didn't crack, so I'm hopeful that that won't be an issue. I don't know how I'm going to get close enough to show you a real close-up. I kind of want, like I said, some green. I think I'm going to give it to myself too. Just a little. There. I think I'm done. I could torch, and I probably should, but it's just noisy, and I don't want to. I like it. I think I want to put a drop of something else in the middle, like Whispering Wisteria. Maybe because I did that, I should do it a few other places. I might spiral that dot out. Chances are good I will. Okay, I'll see you guys. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.